Cranberries, cranberries, cranberries. Hi people, this is Nettie again. A little quickie because as long as I was inside, no rain was coming. Now it's starting to rain. But I wanted to show you this side, and the outside part. As you can see there, this is my oregano. This is just flowers so the bees could come. And as you can see, it has some flowers there. In the morning they kind of fall off, and then by the next day it has more flowers. So like here, let me see if I could show you. Here is dying, but yet it has a new one coming for tomorrow. So also I got my, I call it soursop. I have to take care of it a little bit. It looks like it's getting yellowish. I think it's not having enough water. But I just wanted to show you this for a minute. I also have pennyroyal in here. I planted a few of them. Yeah, it's right there. Sometimes they die, but then they come back up alive again. And I got my corianders, which I'm covering it from the sun because part of it was taken out by the sun. So they're looking pretty good. They're starting to grow big, and I think they like it that way, with no sun. Also, I have here, right there, that's my bananas. I got like 4 bananas, 2 little baby ones. The one that is next to the big one, and those are my bananas. And this big tree is cranberries. I think that's what it is. So, but they are delicious. Usually the cranberries are a little sour. Those are very, very sweet. And I only had, since that tree has been there, it was there since a baby. My mother bought it over here. And the thing is that it grew crazy. But I only have eaten 7 cranberries. Very sweet, very delicious. But we got these blackbirds. They come by and they eat all the cranberries. So I have to watch to see where I could get at least 2 or 3 this year. So also having right next to it is growing right there is growing another papaya plant. These are things that happen from the storm. 2 years down the road, they're still growing, and it's starting to have flowers. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with that one, because that one is not gonna stand good. It's like lopsided. And we have been cleaning out this because the storm just left a lot of climbing plants, crawling plants, and they're driving us crazy. In the back, they cut it, and I told my husband, just take it, pull it out, put it under the sun, and let it die. That's how I'm doing with my raised bed, because they got into my raised bed too. And I let it die, take the root out just to make sure it doesn't go back up. And then I take it and I use it for compost. So, and if you want to see the tree right there, look at that. That's the, how you call it? Look how high it is. That is a mango tree. After the Maria, it got better and the fruit is good. Before it had like worms in it and nobody was eating them. But now they're coming out very good. I guess they killed all the worms and stuff. But, that's pretty good. Now you see this other plant. It looks like bananas or, how you call it, a plantain. You see that purple thing? It's only flowers. And they are a pest. They're good if you have a good place to put it in. But I put one next to my house, when the other side of the house, and that just took over. I had to actually put insecticide to kill it, because it just keeps spreading. Right there it has it, and now I have a plant down there that I can't show you from here, because look how this is. I'm not gonna risk it. I'm by myself. I might end up all the way down there through Willie. Then you see that plant. That is, it's like a brown thing that is, it has like little balls. It looks like beans, but they're not beans. And they're very, very sour. You make juice out of them. But I like to eat it like that sour. It's good if you, you gain some weight, you eat them like that, and you lose weight, But I'm gonna see how I could get somebody to go over there and get me some, you know. So, saying this, oh, and this, you know what it is? Almond tree, an almond tree. Ah, which is a pest, because every time it drops an almond, you have to go and cut the plant, you know. And it's very big, as you can see, and that worries me a lot. And this other tree over here, let me see if I could move my plant. This other tree right there also scares me because it's a very big tree, and all of them ends up in my house. So I don't know if this year there's gonna be a hurricane or not. I know that they're saying there's a drought and they're gonna start taking the water. So saying this, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just let it at this, and I call it. Oh, if you want to see how it looks from out there, you know, the inside the balcony, it looks the same, right? But anyway, I have to start, how you call it, getting water with time, because as you know, my disability takes me time. What you do in a minute, it takes me 5 to 10 minutes. So, you know, that's my thing. But anyway, God bless you all. Until next time. And I hope you like what you see. Bye-bye. Cranberries, cranberries, cranberries.